Did you know that Windows 10 comes with an amazing screen capture utility called Snip and Sketch? Press Win, Shift, S. So that's your Windows key and the Shift key. Hold those down and then tap the S. Your screen will darken and you'll get this little toolbox at the top. Now, by default, it's a rectangular snip, so you can click and drag and draw a box around anything you like. They have a freehand or a freeform snip. You can capture a specific window, or you can capture the full screen. Okay, let's do the rectangular snip. Click and drag. You'll see that the area you're interested in will highlight. And when you let go, you'll have this notification that what you have selected is now in the clipboard, and you can select here to mark up and share the image. Okay, so now we have the built-in image editor ready. There's various ways you can mark it up. A little ballpoint pen here, for example. Yeah, you can do whatever you feel is necessary. All right, there's also a cropping utility. If you felt that you needed to tweak it a bit, just grab any corner and drag. When you're done, click on the check mark. All right, there's an eraser for getting rid of silly things. Okay, there's a highlighter. We can erase that as well. Okay, you have a pencil. There's also options to zoom in. You can see things a bit better. You can save the file. By default, it's going to be a PNG file, but you can choose JPEG or GIF if you prefer those formats. All right, we have, again, to copy your edits into the clipboard. So once you've done any markup, you hit copy, and then you'll have that marked up image in your clipboard. There's the now ubiquitous share option that we get on lots of apps. And of course, a little menu here where you can open it with an external program. So if you wanted to pop it into Photoshop or something, you can print it. And there's settings, tips and tricks, etc. that you can explore.